In this tutorial, we'll show you how to assemble the POSITAL Stepper Kit Encoder. As mechanical drop-in replacements for common US Digital and Broadcom incremental kit models, they let you easily upgrade from incremental to absolute position sensing. This instruction applies to all Stepper Kit Encoder type keys listed above. Each kit includes an adapter flange, a magnet hub assembly, an adapter sleeve, a kit sensor module, 2 socket set screws to secure the magnet hub assembly, and 2 M2x27 screws to fasten the sensor module. There are suitable toolkits for various shaft diameter available. The toolkits includes a hex key and a centering tool, a Torx key, and a spacer tool. Each centering tool is compatible with 2 shaft diameters and is identified by the number of dots machined into the side of the tool. Begin by sliding the adapter flange over the motor shaft. Use your own mounting screws to secure it. For correct orientation, make sure the 2 adjacent holes on the flange face north. Next, slide the centering tool over the shaft to align the flange. Tighten the screws to 0.4 Nm while applying light pressure to the centering tool. Then remove the centering tool. You can reuse it for future installations. Insert the 2 socket set screws into the magnet hub assembly, but ensure they don't enter the inner cavity. Slide the assembly onto the shaft, aligning the pins with the adapter flange, and press it down until it lies flat. Then slide the gapping tool between magnet and the bottom shield. Now push down the magnet and tighten both set screws with a 1.3 mm hex key using the channel hole in the adapter flange with a torque of 0.5 Nm. Slide the adapter sleeve over the magnet hub assembly. Then attach the sensor module and push it down until it clicks into place. Important: do not remove the insert from inside the sensor module. Use a Torx T6 screwdriver to tighten the M2 screws to 0.27 Nm, ± 10%. Now, plug in the cable and secure it by inserting the clip. For M12 connector version, simply plug in the connection cable. Your Stepper Kit encoder is now fully assembled and ready for use.